Good morning, student. This is Vasu Minbancho, your IT teacher. Welcome to online classes session 2020-21. So, student, this month we had completed two chapters, computer basic, and one more chapter, the computer system. So, in computer basic, we had discussed about the introduction of computer, what is computer, then function of computer. Function of computer means that input, output device, output device, and central processing device. That function means input device accepts data, central processing unit process the data according to the given instructions, and output device or storage device stores the result. Then come to the characteristics. Characteristics, we are having 4, 5 or 6 characteristics: speed, accuracy, high storage capacity, then diligence, versatility, reliability, multitasking, connectivity. These are the characteristics of computer which we had learned in this chapter. Then applications means where it is used. Applications, computer used in business, in home, healthcare, organization, education. Nowadays in all place computer are used there. We are using the all the place. Then classification of computers are there. Here in classification, microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe, supercomputer. These are the classification of computer, and according to the classification, some computers having the more storage, device, more storage place, space, or some are having very fast. These are the classifications of computer here. Then in this chapter, HOTS question is also given, students. So you have to learn you have to read once or twice chapter and find out the answer of HOTS question. Then come to the computer system, lesson number 2. Lesson number 2, the computer system. In computer system, we had learned about the components of computer system, and the components of computer systems are hardware, software, and peripherals. Hardware means you are knowing hardware is that hardware which you will touch or feel. These are the hardware. And what are the examples of hardware? That your monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard. These are the examples of hardware. And software means that you can see only, you can see only, this is the software. And software means instructions that you are giving to your computer, and with the help of software only the hardware works properly of computer system. So both are the main components of computer system. And the peripherals means the device connected to CPU. Peripherals means device connected to CPU. Device means which are the device connected to CPU, that your monitor, your speaker, your printer, your keyboard, your mouse. These all are the connected with your CPU. These are the peripheral devices. Then come to the hardware basic components. Hardware basic components are input unit, output unit, and CPU. Input unit, that you are knowing input devices. Which are the input devices? That mouse, keyboard, scanner, microphone. These are the input devices that you are inputting or you are giving data to your computer. And output unit means output devices. Output devices means which you are getting the result with the help of plotters, printers, monitors. These are the output devices. And then CPU. CPU means central processing unit. CPU is also known as the brain of computer. And how it works? CPU is having three main parts. That first one is control unit. Control unit controls the flow of data and manipulate the data. And ALU where arithmetic logic unit, where all the arithmetic calculations are comparison and made in this place. Then MMU, main memory unit. Main memory unit means the areas, that basic areas. First one is that input storage. Input storage, there the inputs stored temporary. Then second one is program storage area, there the processing data are stored. Working storage area, there all the results calculation are stored. And output storage area, output devices stored. Like this, all the process are stored in your MMU, means main memory unit. So this we had learned in this chapter, and this month we had completed two chapters, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. Now students, some assignment questions for you. These are the assignment questions. Horse questions, that you are knowing chapter number 1 is having the horse question and chapter number 2 horse question. So first of all you have to read the book. And then while reading the book you will be getting all the answers. First one is, which device would they use? You have to read carefully and then give the answers. Sujata needs to copy song from her desktop to her laptop. So think and write the answer of this question. Second question is, Anika wants to take a backup of her hard disk. Which device is used to take a backup? Pratik needs to store all his favorite movies in one place. Where he have to store his movies? You give the answer. Then Radha has to store her assignment in the computer. Where she has to store? You think and give the answer. Then the computer manufacturer has to store the startup instructions for the computer. Where? Siddhant wants to take his homework presentation to his school. Where? And which device will use to store the presentation? Deepa need to take a backup of her holiday pictures. Then which device is used to take a backup? You read the chapter, that surely you will be getting the answers. Then go online and second question, go online and make a study of latest storage device available in the market. So in Google you find out this. Go online and make a study of latest storage device available in the market and prepare a comparative report based on their storage capacity, price, ease of use and size. That you have to prepare which one is the latest, and some list are there. That list you compare together and then write their price, write their storage capacities, that their use and size. Then third, Anita wants to live chat with her cousin who lived in abroad. Where? Which are the device she would need to make this possible once he has an internet connection. So you have to give her suggestions how to do the live chat to Anita. Then question number 4, Pratik and his roommate are medical students and need to do a lot of research work. Since they need to take numerous printouts and scan documents from library books, they have decided to buy a printer and scanner for their computers. Which type of device would be suitable for them? So you read the questions and find out the answer, that which one is suitable for them, that printer or scanner. Yes. Then fifth question, Anika is a graphic artist. She has just set up her own card making company and needs to buy a printer. What would you advise her? Which printer you advise her to buy now? Then student, one notice for you. All activities to be done in a computer practical notebook, 200 pages. So you have to prepare a practical notebook for computer subject. For your IT subject, you have to prepare 200 pages practical notebook, and in that practical notebook you have to write the horse question. Horse question according to the chapter. You first give the heading assignments, activity assignments 2020-21, and then write chapter number 1 computer basic, and then write horse. Write the question first and then write the answer. Like this you have to write lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 horse question in your practical notebook. And some general instructions are there. All the online classes from 7 April to 30 April will be available in school website till 10th of June. So you can access the videos anytime and get the attendance of that particular day. So all the videos are there which I had uploaded in the school website. So you can access from there till 10th of June. And the completion of assignments are compulsory for all the students of all the classes. So no need to skip this. You have to write the assignment questions in your practical notebook. So that's all for today. Thank you.